Alright guys, slice it up. Rinse it off a little bit more. And then I'm gonna wash it off with some fresh water. Yes guys, so today I use some live shrimp. Hopefully we can pull in something big later on. Yeah, we'll go there for a while. Nice little fishing spot. Hopefully we can pull in one little snapper or something, you know? Get a little bite already, you know? Yeah, man.
Gone.
Gone, wait, Gone. Whoa. Nice size live shrimp them. Just bring it up real quick. So I'm not get home by it yet, so I guess I'll go and wait. You have to be very, very patient when you have fish. Take a while. You get bite now? You don't want to fish a while. Hopefully I have something big still. And not no little. Get a nice little bite, but I can get her. Just the empty bait, empty fish on line. There's a fish on line. Ooh. Empty hook on line and sinker come back up. But so far so good. I'm getting a little bit of action. I walk out. I'm fishing right now. Yes guys, so I'm super hungry right now and I wasn't lucky enough to catch any fish today, but the good part is I brought my own, fish. I have some, what do you call it? Mackerel, some fresh mackerel I buy yesterday. I purchased it yesterday at the farmer's market. So now I'm just going to clean it up, add some seasoning to it, keep it nice and simple and just fry it up a little bit. So just stay tuned and go and watch the video. Right now, This is my portable, Coleman stove. This is it. All right, set that right there. It comes with a little butane tank. This should last about 3 to 4 hours. Let me see. Yeah, about 3 or 4 hours. So I'm just gonna light it up in a few minutes after we season up the mackerel. All right, close it back up. Make sure this is level on a level surface. All right there. Look level. It's good. All right, guys. So the mackerel is already scaled, clean up, and everything. Like I said, I purchased it yesterday. All right. It's still a little bit frozen, not too much. So I'm just gonna wash it off, slice it up, and then we'll go season it and fry it up. You understand? Yeah, man. And this is kind of big, so I don't think it's gonna fit in the cast iron skillet. So I'm just gonna give it some more slices. It's individual slices like fillet slices, and then put it in a pot. So let's go and watch the thing, man. All right, guys, slice it up. Rinse it off a little bit more. And then I'm gonna wash it off with some fresh water. All right. All right, so we're gonna season it up right about now. Give it a nice proper seasoning. You understand? We need to find a leaf or a plastic bag or something. Season it up, man. It's a little bit windy right now. Seasoning I blow all over the place. But that's not gonna stop the show right now. All right. Yeah, man, it's looking good. All right, so let's bring it over here. All right, guys, we're gonna add some cooking oil to the thing. Yeah, man. Fry it up nice and proper. And once the oil become, super hot, then we go drop in the fish them. It's not gonna take that long because this is a cast iron skillet and heat up, nice and fast. Put in some thyme. I have some garlic same way. I'm gonna cut up the garlic and pepper them real quick. Go for the cut up some habanero peppers. Whoa, it's gonna be spicy. Nice and spicy. Season up the oil a little bit. Yeah. Just give it a few minutes for the oil to be hot and we should be ready. Yes, guys, so we're on this little private island, secret location. I'm not going to give you the location right now. Probably never will because, we're here by ourselves and we're loving it, enjoying, the time together and everything. So just continue to enjoy the scenery and everything. Nice little ocean background. In this video, I wanted to do something totally different from, the regular traditional, in the kitchen and all that stuff. I wanted to do something outdoors. Hopefully you guys can enjoy this one and, run up the views, the likes, share and comment, and don't go nowhere. Wow. All right, guys. So as you can see, the oil, it's getting hot. You know, the fish them there, so I marinate, or the fish, one fish, they are marinate, seasoning and everything. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So the oil ready. You can smell the pepper them and the thyme and everything. Yeah, so we're gonna drop in the fish them. Yes, let them go and fry. The oil still a move a little bit slow because the wind, they blow the fire one direction and the pot now really get 100% hot, but we still gonna work with it. Yeah. Yes, guys. So the first side look good. As crispy as I want it, but hey, as long as it's cooked, then I'm good. Yeah, man. You can see the season, marinate up in it, fry up in it, look good. Whoa. Now the oil, I get hot and nice. Yeah, man. Zoom in with the camera so them can see it. You see all that seasoning, all the flavors. Watch it. Mm-mm. Oh my God. Yes, just gonna fry it for a few more minutes. All right, guys. So the fish them ready. After this, we'll just go fry up some corn, some sweet corn. Fry them up, nice and proper. Whoa. Ooh, hot. All right, so now we're going to get this out of the way and season up the corn them. So put this over here so now. All right, come. Drop the bean just like that. We don't waste no time. And we have limited time right now. Season it up. Season it up and spin it up in the oil. Come on. Just go taste good. Yeah. I'll just fry it up for a couple minutes. Yeah, man. Yes, the corn them looking nice. Looking good. Yeah, man. So good.